evening.
What is your name?
My name is Stefano, and I'm 19 years old.
Are you from Italy?
I'm from Sicily.
Oh, you have to be here tonight.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah.
You didn't sound happy when you said it.
You didn't.
But you're nervous.
Yeah, I feel so nervous. Yeah.
How did this dream start?
What?
Heidi, it's your accent. Nobody can understand you with that accent.
I know, I'm sorry.
Well, we're very happy that you're here. What are you going to do tonight?
I'm singing tonight. Yeah.
You're singing.
Yeah.
So go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, I read you a story about life. I brought you baby. Trying to hold back this feeling for so long. If you feel like I feel, baby. Oh, yeah, come on.
Let's get it on!
Let's get it on. Open up. Let's get it on. Come on, sugar.
That's amazing!
There's nothing wrong with me loving you. Baby, don't know, no. Hey, baby, give yourself to me. Can never be wrong. If your love is true, oh, baby. Yes, so come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, darling. Stop putting out the blues. Oh. Let's get it on. Let's get it on.